This is what our kitchen and living room used to look like. And this is what it looks like now. We transformed our home by replacing the kitchen and knocking down some walls, giving it a fresh and modern look. When we first bought this home, we knew right away we needed to make some changes. We bought this home 2 years ago in Japan. The layout of the living room resembled more of a traditional Japanese home. This house is almost 40 years old. You can see the tatami mats and the fusuma door. The partition made the rooms feel very small, and we wanted a more open feel. The kitchen cabinets and countertop were old and rusty, and there was a smell coming off of the wallpaper and the flooring. There was a lot to do and we knew it wasn't going to be easy, but we knew we could do it if we came up with a plan and worked together. Our plan was to get rid of everything: the kitchen, the countertops, the flooring, the fusuma doors, everything. We'll then open up the space by getting rid of the partition. Then we'll prep the walls and floor for new wallpaper and flooring. Time to tear this place up. Let's go! This is just a little bit of foam. I'm using this to fill the crevices in the ceiling so I don't have to load it up with putty. I didn't have a drywall sander, so I had to jerry rig one. We utilized the bulk pickup service here in Japan since we didn't have access to a truck. spraying some primer here to get the walls and ceiling ready for paint and wallpaper. I'm going to be using sheet gooey or plaster for this beam. I'm going to apply a base layer first and then the sheet gooey. If you've never wallpapered before, I suggest you give it a try. It's a lot less time consuming in my opinion. It can be a little tricky at first, but I feel like with the amount of time that you save, it'll be worth it.
När han rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt till slut. Rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt till slut. När han rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt till slut. Rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt. Jag vill ha din doft i hela rummet.
And now time for the kitchen, the last major project for this renovation. I also wanted to mention, this is the last room of the house that needed to be renovated. We've renovated every room in the house so far since we bought it. And now after 2 years, the renovations are finally coming to an end. If you haven't had the chance yet, please check out the other renovation videos on my channel. You get a chance to see all the good times we had and all the challenges we faced. Renovating this house was such an awesome opportunity for growth and learning. I mentioned earlier that we bought this house 2 years ago. When we first bought this house, we had big plans of renovating it and eventually moving in. We put a lot of time and effort into making this space our own, but sometimes plans change. Since then, we found some new land that we just could not pass up and decided to build a new home there. So now instead of moving in, we're leaving this home for the next family to enjoy. And that is it for the renovations. It was a lot of work, but also a lot of fun. Thank you for staying until the end of the video. And for one last time, the reveal. you again for staying until the end of the video. This has been so much fun. I would love the opportunity to try to renovate another house. And I hope the new owner enjoys this house as much as I have enjoyed renovating it. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, mahalo and aloha.